30 years, Italmec SRL has specialised in designing and producing wastewater and dust treatment plants for the stone processing industry. It has become a leading business due to its ongoing research into innovative solutions that meet a comprehensive range of customer needs and safeguard the environment. Its highly professional management, employees and partners mean that customer support is first-rate and that Italmec products are installed all over the world. The hallmark of Italmec is its production process. Each machine is carefully designed and painstakingly inspected by in-house experts in a bid to ensure its products are 100% reliable and can be put to work straight away. Italmec ships its machinery worldwide, and its customer support team are on hand until the client's purchase has been safely delivered.